Hi guys and girls, a warm welcome from the SecureCerts team. So today I thought I'll come over and explain to you what is SecureCerts. SecureCerts is a decentralized application which leverages blockchain technology to issue tamper-proof digital certificates, thus trying to eliminate certificate frauds in India. So you may be thinking, is certificate fraud such a big problem in India? Before creating this video, I just went to Google and typed certificate frauds in India and just clicked the news section. And I got the following results. Certificate frauds happen mostly in three sections. First one is education, second one is sports, and third one is welfare. So why does certificate frauds usually happen? In our research, we have found out that there are two main reasons for certificate frauds. First one being the lack of a secure storage space, and second one is there is no way in which certificates can be instantaneously verified. In order to understand why there is an absence of secure storage space in the certificate issuing space, we have to understand how certificates are usually being issued, especially the digital certificates. Issuers are using editing tools like Adobe Photoshop to issue digital certificates. The biggest problem with such tools is that anybody with a good knowledge of these tools can take the digital certificates and change the credentials. Another method for issuing digital certificates is using a web application. The issuer will be issuing and verifying certificates using this application. The biggest problem with such web applications are that the certificates are stored in a centralized location. As you know that the central servers and cloud platforms are always vulnerable to hacking. If a hacker hacks into these central systems and change the certificates stored there, it will always raise a question on the credibility of the certificates issued. In decentralized applications like SecureCerts, the critical parts of a certificate are stored in a decentralized ledger, popularly known as blockchain. Once the data is stored inside blockchain, it becomes immutable. That means it cannot be tampered with. This feature makes sure that the certificates are safe and secure. We also understand the fact that ease of use is also an important criteria for mass adoption of this technology. So we have also introduced some other features that make sure that the certification issuing process is as easy as possible for our issuers. The first feature that we have introduced is a URL and a QR code. Each certificate that is issued via our platform will have a unique URL, and a QR code will also be embedded to each certificate. The URL can be shared with the verifying authority for verifying the certificate. Also, in case if recipients want to store a hard copy of the certificate and submit the hard copy, the QR code can be used to verify the certificate. In order to make sure that the certificate verification process is instantaneous, the verification process is made absolutely free for all the issuers and recipients and verifiers across our platform. We have a certificate wallet feature in our application. This makes sure that the events created by the issuer and the certificates issued by the issuer are visible in the issuer's dashboard. The recipient can also see the events that he or she has joined and the certificates that he or she has received for each event. This will help the issuer and recipient to store the issued certificates and for future verification. Another important feature that we have introduced is bulk issue. The issuer can issue up to 500 certificates in one go. This will make sure that the workload on issuing a certificate is reduced. We also have introduced block certificate feature. After issuing a certificate, if issuer found out that the data given by the recipient for issuing a particular certificate is false, he can just click a button to block the certificate. This is very important for increasing the authenticity of the issuer. I can assure you that we will be adding more features to our decentralized application as per the feedback that we receive from our customers. Also, I have added links of some of the articles that will help you to know more about blockchain and decentralized applications. You can check those links in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding blockchain or decentralized applications, you can contact me in the email ID or in our LinkedIn handle. If you want to know more about SecureCerts, you can check our website and also you can log in to our decentralized application as an issuer or a recipient. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.